TRIMAX Corporation is the world's leading lock manufacturer, providing customers high-quality products through innovative design. TRIMAX offers more products keyed alike and cross-keyable products than any other competitor at no charge. Card packaging. Package dimensions: 13.716 L by 4.826 H by 10.16 W centimeters. Top reviews from the United States. Love this. Can't tell ya how many times if it wasn't for this cable wrapped around my throttle grip to remind me the front brake disc is locked. Wow, has saved me many times from taking off. Yes, I am that forgetful. If ya get a disc lock, gotta have one these.